Hello viewers, today we're going to be making some tasty cucumber salad that tastes like a California roll, I kid you not. And we're going to be using these ingredients to do it. So let's start. Move all this. And we'll start with this little mandolin. You can cut this by hand, but it's a bit of a pain. So here we go. This cuts the time down that it takes to make this, and that's always handy. And of course, everything is uniform. Once it's down here, go ahead. Push it down. There you have it. I'll just take this and stuff it into a mason jar. You can use a bowl or what have you, but it's gotta be something you can cover. Here we go. Push it down. Make room for all the other things, which I like to add a little bit of purple onion or red onion. It's just my preference. Not too much. But I love the flavor of onion, so yeah, I will say I like onion, so I will err on the side of more than less. If you don't like it, you don't even need to have it. Now, it's time for some imitation crab. If you have the real thing, good. If you don't, that's fine too. I'm just using the stick version, and it's about 2. The mandolin won't really work for this. At least I don't think so. Maybe it's something I try. Small pieces, but not so small. There you go. And we'll add that to the jar as well. Push it down. Down, 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 down. Okay. Now I need half an avocado. Hopefully it's right. And now I have used guacamole before. If you have it, just whatever your preference. I'm just going to scoop that out, and you'll want to smash it down a bit. That's important for later. Okay, now I'm just going to add some Ponzu sauce, which is like a citrus soy sauce. If you have soy sauce, use that, that's fine. It's just, I like to mix it up. Not too much, just enough. KewPie mayonnaise. It's an Asian style mayonnaise. I've also, instead of this, used just regular mayo and add some sesame seed oil and a little bit of sriracha to make it a spicy mayo. A couple steps, sesame seeds oil. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of this. From here, it's pretty simple. Just put the lid on, and we're gonna shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. And you can see it's starting to meld with that avocado there and the mayo. I'll just fast forward here. There you have it. Some delicious cucumber salad that tastes like a California roll. And of course you can eat straight from here or share it. About halvesies in a bowl. That's so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe as I eat some more.